Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the lock system on your TM5. First, let's gather the necessary tools you will need for this project. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and safety gloves. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by turning off the power to your TM5 to ensure safety. Next, remove the screws on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. With the back panel removed, you can access the internal components. Now, locate the locking mechanism. It will typically be situated near the top of the unit. Carefully detach any wiring connected to the lock system. Remember, if you're unsure about handling this yourself, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make informed decisions. Once you have disconnected the wiring, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the lock mechanism out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area around the lock with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, let's install the new lock system. Align the new lock mechanism into the housing and press it firmly until it clicks into place. Reattach the wiring, ensuring that each connection is secure. If you don't have the tools or prefer to avoid the hassle, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. After reconnecting the wiring, replace the back panel of the TM5. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws back into place. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten and strip the screws. Now it's time to test the new lock system. Turn the power back on and attempt to engage the lock. If it operates smoothly, you've successfully completed the installation. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, so you can understand any potential costs up front. In summary, changing the lock system on your TM5 can be a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. Remember to prioritize safety and cleanliness throughout the task. If you need assistance, we are here to help with no calls and no travel required, making it easier for you to get your device fixed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.